Do you want to make your WordPress LMS site faster but worried about lots of server-side tweaks and configurations? Then you are at the right place. We'll show you how to speed up a WordPress LMS site easily. We will use the modern and automated tools offered by Rapyd Cloud, a powerful managed WordPress LMS host. Let's get started. First things first, we'll get a Rapyd Cloud managed WordPress hosting. So I'm going to visit the Rapyd Cloud website and navigate to their pricing. We'll provide the Rapyd Cloud link in the video description for you. As you can see, there are several pricing plans. We'll discuss the Rapyd Cloud pricing plan details later in this video. But for now, let's get my desired plan and start the tutorial right away. Okay, so I've purchased the Rapyd Cloud developer hosting plan. I've also created this WordPress LMS site on Rapyd Cloud. It's an experimental e-learning site with demo content provided by the WordPress LMS theme I used. With all the content and functionalities, it loads really fast, so that's a good start. Now let's visit my Rapyd Cloud dashboard and explore its speed boosting tools because that's our main focus for this video. This is our Rapyd Cloud dashboard. Here we can see our website URL, which we can visit with one click. We can also access our WP admin by clicking on this button. Down here we can see the stats of our site. We can also take a look at the CPU and RAM usage. We can also take a look at the local storage and backup storage from here. We can also see the production environment details over here. In the WordPress section, we can check out which WordPress version we are using. We can also look at the WP debug. So if you're having issues with your WordPress website, you can activate the WP debug mode, and this will help the developers identify the cause or causes of errors or issues in your WordPress website. In the theme section, we can see what themes we are using, which theme is active, and we can see if they are updated or not. And in the plugin section, we can take a look at what plugins we are using and if they're updated or not. We can also take a look at the stats by clicking over here. We can look at the local storage usage, the backup storage usage, the traffic, CPU, and RAM usage from here. In the backup section, we can create a backup of our site and we can view all the details of our backup from here. Now, in the settings section, we can see there are settings for domains, servers, logs, file access, file manager, and a lot more. Rapyd Cloud provides you with subdomain. Using this subdomain, you can test your site before going into live production. Later on, when you want to make your site live, you can add your custom domain from here. Now, if we're talking about the performance features, Rapyd Cloud offers a bunch of performance features that are automatically enabled for your site. So you really don't have to do much manual configuration. We can divide those performance optimization tools into three categories: the server-side tools, WP admin side tools, and external tools. Let's first talk about the server-side tools. The server-side tools are already enabled for our site in Rapyd Cloud. For this, we can go to settings and click on server. Here we can see the Lightspeed, Redis, and Elasticsearch running. Now the Lightspeed is basically a web server, and this is the software that responds to requests to your website, and the Redis is the in-memory data structure store which is used for object caching, and it enhances our site performance. Next is the PHP workers. As you can see, it's written, PHP workers are responsible for generating HTML pages to serve to your site's visitor, impacting how many concurrent requests your site can handle. And finally, the Elasticsearch is a distributed search and analytics engine that centrally stores your data for lightning-fast search and fine-tuned relevancy. Now we can also take a look at the cache. Here we can clear all cache just by clicking over here, or we can clear cache by category. So the OP cache, which reduces the time it takes to process the PHP by caching all PHP files on our server. So if you see unexpected behavior after enabling or disabling any WordPress plugins, you can clear the OP cache by clicking over here. You can also see the total memory and free memory over here as well. And if this is functioning properly, the free memory will always be available. The Redis object cache improves the performance of your site by caching complex database queries. Now, if your site is taking longer to load or changes to content on your site are not appearing, you can clear the Redis object cache by clicking on this button. And if you're not seeing the changes on your website after logging out, you can clear out the Lightspeed cache. Now, these are the server-side tools that improve your site performance. Now, let's take a look at the WP admin side tools. Now for this, we're going to click on this button and it will automatically log us into our WP admin dashboard. When you create a WordPress site on Rapyd Cloud, it will automatically install and activate some performance optimization plugins like Elastic Press, Lightspeed Cache, Object Cache Pro, and Patch Stack Security. Most of these plugins work just fine with the default configurations. We just kept these plugins activated and took a performance benchmark test using the WordPress Hosting Benchmark Tool plugin. The results were much better when we kept those optimization plugins active compared to when we kept them deactivated. The lowest score was 8.6. Now this was when we deactivated all of those plugins, and it was highest when we kept those plugins activated, which is 9. Now as for external tools, Rapyd Cloud is also working on free CDN for websites hosted on their platform. You can also use an external CDN if you want. That will also have a positive impact on your LMS website's performance. So basically, that's how you can speed up a WordPress LMS site using Rapyd Cloud. Whether you're an experienced developer or a new WordPress user, you can see that Rapyd Cloud has got your back. They do most of the tasks automatically for you. Even if your usage quota is exhausted, Rapyd Cloud will notify you and keep your site going using its overage feature. If you experience a traffic spike, it will auto-scale up to accommodate the additional users. Now the question is, how much does Rapyd Cloud cost? Well, they have multiple pricing plans with flexible computing resources. Let's take a look at Rapyd Cloud's pricing page so that you can get an idea. Now when we visit the pricing page, we can see 3 plans: Light, Startup, and Performance. Also, there is an enterprise plan. We took a look at this pricing page earlier in the video. Now let's actually discuss these plans. So the first plan is the Light plan. It's $26 a month and it gives you 200,000 estimated visits, 30 GB SSD storage, 99.99% uptime guarantee, and you get 30 GB offsite backup storage and 1 website. Now you can scale the Light plan to Developer plan, which is $44 a month, and this will give you more resources. Now the next plan is Startup plan. This is also the most popular. You can get this for $89 a month and it gives you 500,000 estimated visits, 36 auto-scaling supercharged PHP workers, 100 GB SSD storage, and it gives you 200 GB offsite backup storage. You can also scale the startup plan and get the package that is best suited for you. The next one is the Performance plan, and it gives you even more estimated visits, more SSD storage, and more offsite backup storage. Now this is also for one site. Like the previous plan, you can also scale the Performance plan and get the plan which is more suitable for you. Now if you require the Enterprise plan, you can get in touch. You can discuss what kind of resources you need. Another thing to note is that Rapyd Cloud's plans include the object caching, Redis caching by Relay, and ultimate vulnerability protection with Patch Stack for free. Now this will save you a lot of money. We will provide the Rapyd Cloud link in the video description. You can explore and get your Rapyd Cloud plan from there. So check out the Rapyd Cloud link and use the promo code WPGIZ to get 10% off on all Rapyd Cloud plans for 2 billing periods. Now that is how you can speed up a WordPress LMS site with Rapyd Cloud. We hope that this video was helpful for you, and if you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos on WordPress. Thank you for watching. See you next time.